Hey, Dr. Fisher here. I'm the creator of Fisher Traction. Many of you have asked us questions about our knee wedges. How important are they? Well, I'm going to show you real quickly, one, how to set yourself up, and I'm going to explain how using these knee wedges can enhance the traction into your low back, okay? Really easy to do, and the great thing about these, they're so lightweight, they're easy to move around, okay? So I put them apart from each other. And this is my setup at my office, but obviously this would be hooked to your doorknob at home. And I get down, I sit, I slide the traction over my shoulders and make sure you get it down below your low back, not on your low back. You want it on your hips. Okay, I slide my buckle, okay? I have my release strap in my thumb, and I have my hands on both of the knee wedges, and I just lay back, and right now you can tell the traction is not engaged, so I slide myself back, push with my feet, and now you can see the negative G-force technology is stretching and pulling, and I can really feel it in my low back. Then I take my wedges, slide them underneath my knees, just like this, and I lay back. And oh my God, it's so relaxing. It's relaxing your hamstrings. And even though the hamstrings are not directly connected to your low back, but they almost function as if they do, because when your hamstrings are relaxed, it relaxes the muscles in your low back, so you can feel even more pull on the traction. And again, of course, I can use my release strap. After 5 minutes of traction, I pull in the release strap, I hold it for 15 to 30 seconds, and then I let it go, back into traction. Easy to get out. You just take the knee wedges, move them to the side, and either, if you're in a lot of pain, easy way to get out is you can roll to the side, just like this, and then slowly push yourself up, okay? Scoot towards the door, slide the buckle, get it out, and then to get up, sometimes you need to go super slow. You can turn over, get into a downward dog position, and then work your way up, okay? So again, great asset to your lumbar tractioning and decompression with our foam wedges.